Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject general science. In general science we will study here chapter 15 sound. First, production of sound. We have learned that sound can be generated from a vibrating object with an example of tuning fork. We will now learn about how a sound is produced due to such vibration. A photograph of tuning fork is shown in figure 15.1. Here is the photograph of tuning fork. Here is a flange and here is the stem. A tuning fork is made up of two flange and a stem. Keeping the stem steady, if the flange are struck, they start vibrating. When we struck this tuning fork on surface of a strong rubber, what happens? These flange goes away or close to bring each other close to near to each other. This is a picture. In second picture, these flange goes away. They press the air column. Such air column reaches to our ear and we can hear the sound of this tuning fork. Propagation of sound and medium. We have learned that in 6th standard that sound travel through some material medium like solid, liquid or gas and reaches us. But what if such a medium does not exist between the source of sound and our ear? This is a simple experiment. You can do this experiment in a laboratory. Sound generation and propagation needs medium like ear. A simple experiment can prove this. The experiment arrangement is shown in figure 15.3. In this experiment, a vacuum tight bale jar is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. The bale jar is connected to the vacuum pump via a tube. We can remove air inside the bale jar using the vacuum pump as shown in figure. The bale jar contains an electric bale which is connected to the power supply through the lead of the bale jar. This is a picture of a bale jar, and here is a lead. Here is the electric bale. And this pipe is connected to the vacuum pump. At the start of experiment, the vacuum pump is off and the bale jar contains air. If the key to the electric bale is now switched on, the bale starts ringing and the ringing can be heard from outside the bale jar. Now, if the vacuum pump is switched on, it starts removing the air from the bale jar. As the quantity of air inside the bale jar decreases, the level of ringing sound heard outside also decreases. If the pump is operated for sufficiently long period, the quantity of air like inside the bale jar will be low. At this point of the level of ringing sound will be also be very low. This experiment demonstrates that sound generation and propagation need a medium. If the air inside the bale jar is totally removed, we will we be able to hear the sound of ringing bell. Why? Frequency of sound wave. Using figure 15.2, we learned about how the vibration of tuning fork results in the generation of compensation and rarefaction in air. More detailed observations show that the actual variation in the air density and pressure as shown in figure 15.4. If any object vibrates in the air, such sound waves are produced in the air. See this picture here. Increased pressure means compression, reduced pressure rarefaction. One oscillation consists of compression and rarefaction. Motion of air molecules due to sound, atmospheric pressure, and propagation of sound. This propagated sound reaches to our ear and we can hear the sound. One compression and one rarefaction here to complete one oscillation. Thanks for watching this video.